Hey, good morning. My name is Chuck Northcutt with Anajet and RICOH. I am the Business Development Manager for the DTG portion of RICOH. We're going to be doing a short demonstration of the RICOH Ri-1000 this morning. We're here at Wild Texas Tees, courtesy of Tom Picar and his shop. This is a fully functioning shop, and this printer is a production printer. So this is actually pretty simple. We're going to lay a shirt on the platen. It's already pre-treated. This particular shirt is from RTP Apparel. You can buy these already pre-treated, so you don't have to do that yourself. So we align the shirt, make sure it's straight using the seams. We pull any wrinkles out of the printer. We want to make sure that it is flat. It gets scanned by a laser when it goes in. If it's not flat, it will kick the shirt out, and it will not print until you get rid of the wrinkle or the bump. The next step is to choose the job we want. We have a flash drive loaded with RIP files. We're going to go to the touchscreen menu. We're going to choose USB, and then we're simply going to select which drive or which graphic do we want. These are all the images that are actually loaded on the flash drive. We're going to choose this leopard for the first print. Now you'll notice that it shows you the design on the screen, so you can make sure you have the proper design selected. From there, we're going to tell it to take the table in and start the printing process. What it's going to do here is it's scanning that shirt to make sure it's flat, and it will start printing. So the video you just saw was obviously time-lapsed. The actual print time was just slightly under 3 minutes. You can see the finished product here, nice and vibrant. One of the nice things about DTG is I can print another one of exactly this image, or I can immediately switch just by loading a new design right from the flash drive or from the network. You have the ability to switch seamlessly from graphic to graphic to graphic. Zero setup time, just load the graphic, push print. Very cost-effective way to do small and medium runs, keep your customer setup charge minimum to none if you prefer, and to deliver graphics like no silkscreener can do. Here are some other examples that we printed in the shop recently. Also done on this printer. I don't even know how to count the number of colors in there, but I can seamlessly switch from the leopard print to this just at the push of a button. This was done from a JPEG. Look at the quality of the photograph. You can even see the reflection in the dog's eyes. Just the level of detail is incredible. Now people ask about the cost. That varies a lot by the graphic you're printing. A graphic like this leopard, probably 70, 80 cents. A graphic like the photograph you saw could be $1.25 to $1.50. It all depends on the size and how much ink you're using. The speed of the printer and the speed at which it prints is also going to be different based on the graphic. The more negative space and the smaller the graphic, the faster it prints. In a CMYK print like this, there's probably 15 to 25 cents in ink, and this probably printed in 30 or 40 seconds. So from this point, what needs to happen is this needs to be cured. The print is wet, but it's not drippy wet. I can touch it, but I can smear it. So from here, we would take this off, and we would take it to the heat press to be cured, at which point it's ready for customer delivery. It takes 90 seconds for a dark print, 45 seconds for a light print. This is the garment we just printed in the image. It's been heat pressed, so it's ready to deliver to the customer. One of the nice things now is this image is part of the shirt. We can take this shirt and we can stretch this image and this shirt, and you can see we might damage the shirt, but the image is going to stay on there. The image will last as long as the shirt does. The shirt will fade over time. After 20 washes, this is going to be a dark gray shirt, not a black shirt, and the image will fade lightly as the shirt fades, but it will never crack, it will never peel, it will never go away. The printer is very versatile. It will print on flat goods, so it's not just t-shirts and sweatshirts. Here we have a bag ready to print. We're going to choose our design, tell it to print it. You can see again on screen it's called up the design, and now we're going to send it into the printer. Again, this is going to be scanned to make sure it's flat, and if it is, it will commence printing. This will be done in one pass because it's CMYK only, so it will print significantly faster and at significantly less cost. You can see the print is done. The colors are nice and bright. I'll pull it off so you can get a close look here. And now this will go to the heat press to be dried. So to kind of quickly wrap things up, the RICOH Ri-1000 DTG printer, easy to use, easy to set up, very versatile, easy to print on t-shirts, bags, sweatshirts, even socks, which are a really hot item these days. Very profitable, will print full color graphics. Pretty much anything you or your customer can get on a computer screen can be printed directly on a garment. I will include a link to a return on investment calculator along with this video, and we hope to hear from you soon. Please give us a call if we can answer any questions or be of any help.